Here are some important facts about crocodile teeth. High tooth turnover. Crocodiles go through around 4,000 teeth over their lifetime. Tooth replacement. Crocodiles can replace their teeth up to 50 times. When one tooth wears down, a new one grows in to take its place. This continuous cycle of tooth replacement helps them maintain sharp teeth throughout their lives. Tooth structure. Each tooth is conical and sharp, perfect for gripping and tearing prey. The teeth are anchored in sockets in the jawbone, similar to how human teeth are. Functionality. Crocodile teeth are not designed for chewing but for grasping and holding prey. They swallow large chunks of food whole. Size. The size of a crocodile's teeth can vary depending on the species, but they can grow up to several inches long. Adaptation. This tooth replacement system is an evolutionary adaptation that allows crocodiles to maintain their predatory efficiency throughout their lifespan, which can last up to 70 to 100 years.